Hi everyone, this is week 11. It's the last week before spring break. Just a few assignments for you all this week in web design. I'm looking at actually, if you look at the calendar here, by Wednesday, color tool recommendations. So that's a discussion board where you need to go and look at several online color pickers, use the knowledge that you have gained on color theory, and that's due by Wednesday. And then by Wednesday after spring break is designing with color theory due. I'll spend a few minutes on that today because it is due so quickly after spring break. So you've done the intro to color theory, you've done assessing color theory. The things you should have picked up in there are that the Wall Street Journal uses colors that would send you the message that it's powerful, that it's knowledgeable, it's bold. Those are the things you should have picked up on, and those are the keywords I was looking for kind of when I read your journals. Also, so the color theory, designing with color theory assignment. I've made 3 banners for different businesses, and what you need to do is, one, you have to download one of these. I'll just pick this one for a moment here. Remember, you have to open it up all the way and then download the image. You also can't right click on it, because if you do right click, it wants to save this as a web page. So that's not going to work. You have to download it. Now I know that my downloads go to my download folder, but the other thing I could do is open it up, and then I could save it or copy it, and I could put it in my web design folder in my public HTML. I need to get it into the images folder where it needs to be. So I'm going to go just through that with you. Web design, high school, public HTML, daily, and then I have my images folder, and here I can paste that. So there I have downloaded it. Now the idea is that you're going to, in Composer, start a new page. The first thing I would do is save as, because remember, you need to save it before you put your images in so that they're pointing to the right place. So I'm going to call this page Color Theory, and I'm not going to put a space in it, because then when it wants me to automatically save this, I don't have to take that space out. I just have to put it in the daily folder. And actually, I think I saved it in my wrong folder. I did. I saved it in my middle school folder. So let me go into the high school. Alright, so I've saved it. Now I'm going to insert my image. And actually, I'm still in my middle school folder. Sorry about that. I downloaded the coffee shop one. I need to put in alt text. Now the first thing it does is it's going to default to be aligned to the left, but at this point you should know to center your image. And then you want to make a page that pulls off of the colors that are in this image. You could make your background the same color as this, or the white. It doesn't matter. You need to work with that and pick it up. You need to have some links on your page, but that's so that you can make your links a color that can be seen on your page background. So you need to pay attention to what color they are and go change them if you need to. And again, everything needs to be color coordinated, if you would, because that's the whole idea behind this assignment. And that is due, this assignment is due Wednesday after break. So you have a few days before and a day or two after to work on that.